All right, guys, here we are. We're testing the 360 camera, and Marissa's tall today. So we're gonna mess around. We actually haven't set this up at all yet, so we're gonna do it from scratch with the 360, and let me know if you like this style, and we'll go from there. So I've got my Canon here. We have a couple of filter lights. So my plan, she's got this kind of glamorous dress, but we're gonna shoot more like a 3/4, and I'm gonna give her a nice backlight to kind of give like some separation, and then we're just gonna fill in a little bit with this guy here, which is a B1X in a foam core. So that's the plan. And let's see, yeah, that one is actually in my B group.
Do you want to shoot in 3/4?
Oh, let's see, 3/4, half maybe. I'm not gonna shoot it. I'm not gonna shoot it in the feet.
Marissa gets like 6 inches shorter.
Yeah, this is not shorter. All right, so I'm firing my camera. I am in capture 1. Oh, all right. So at 250 f8, I'm going to start the TTL, and I'm going to just fire the backlight. Now, I can tell you that it's probably not going to be the correct exposure because the light comes from the back. Let's see. Well, it didn't do a terrible job. You know what I think I'm going to do now? I'm going to put you closer to it.
Closer.
Actually, I'll use the one girls. No, you're good. Back up a smidge. Good. Kind of a small back. Oh, it's interesting. All right. So obviously, like I said, this is going to be overexposed because it's a heavy, heavy backlight. I'm going to I was going to go right out of the box and switch to manual. I think it's about 2 stops overexposed. So we do a quick test. Okay, I'm watching those highlights basically. I think I like some black and white too. It makes it very.
I know, I got the weird hair too, like the 20s hair. You're one to talk.
You're weird, yeah. Alright. Alright, there we go. So what I'm trying to do is basically get an exposure for the highlight. I don't want it to blow out so much. So you can see that's very much, it's very dramatic. So then our A light, which is over here, is going to basically fill in our shadows. So we're going to turn that guy on. I'm going to start with it. Actually, I'll leave the B, I'm going to turn the B light off. We go back to the A light. I'm just going to let it TTL. Let it do its thing. Again, I just
Smell like my
stuck next to
armpit?
her. Yeah, she's like, oh, it's so smelly. So now, goes manual. I'm going to go 2 stops under, which are basically, remember this is my shadow. Okay, now, with my B light on. Yeah, okay. Take a quick look at my exposure. It's kind of nice. Let me just see it in color. I'm just curious. Let's see, styles. I'm going to reset. Well, it's not bad in color actually, because it's a little like kind of dark. I kind of feel like we could use the colors and maybe do a style to this. So I'm going to actually. Yeah, see, actually look at that. That's almost like a colorized movie.
Cool.
And then I'll come over here and just lower the saturation level, because I was really thinking too much saturation in these things. Nobody wants that much saturation. Actually, take it back. It's actually just the right amount. Yeah, we're gonna leave it there. I kind of like it. It's weird and interesting. It makes it very because it's a certain time period too. Now, okay, that's great. So I'm struggling with my background here. I am using a 24 to 70. So I'm going to quickly switch to my 85. switching to the 85 because then I can stand back further. It will compress my background and then we'll get less background in the shot. So if you have a small background, longer lens. You can also put her closer to the background, but the problem with that is if I put her closer to the background, more of that light's going to kick back out of the background and it won't be so black. So I want my black to be the blackest black I can get. So I'm going to the camera to come back up. It's there. All right, let's try with the 85. This is the 85 1.2. Yeah, looks good. I'm going to bring that back like down just a smidge. It really depends on her face. It's there. Yeah, like that. The other one was screen recording because I'm getting all kinds of messages. My Tinder is blowing up. I can even get Tinder on the computer. I clearly have no idea how this works. Good. That's nice. Yeah, try to beat that perfect. That will move right just like a little bit. Just like that. That's nice. Remain in that way, and I want you slightly to turn one. Feather off a tiny bit. Okay. So a lot of times when I'm doing this, I'll use a hard light from the back. I want to use a soft light this time because I knew that I was getting kind of overexposed. See, that's fine except for the clamp coming out of your back.
Where you can see the clip?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. And so move right there. Do not move. Just like that. Turn your face slightly to the left. Like that. Hold. Do not move. And just the light. Oh, interesting. Yeah, you move. That's pretty. Extend your neck out like you look at the long neck or something. Okay. Good. Sculptural. One more. Nice.
Try and do like old, like, oh.
Yeah, it's kind of, look how weird your neck looks.
That is
In a
good.
good way. You have a crazy neck.
Looks like muscly.
Yeah, you're all like, my neck is long. All right, one more. One more series. Is that the slot that you're in? I don't think it was.
It was like right here.
Are you sure? I'll know when I see the exposure. Oh, yeah, you're right. Never down, Marissa. Work towards the light a little bit. I can see the clamp, I'm just going to retouch it out. A little bit faster, just so kind of move around, so it looks good. I don't want to come in real tight. Yeah, just enough.
Can you see this weird loop thing?
I can see it. That's, you want to see it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a highlight, but I'm sorry. There you are in the background. You are in the background. There we go. Let's see. I may actually change slightly my light so I can see that a little bit better in the closer shot. Yeah. So, because there's that loopy thing, wow, the cinematic thing really super contrasting. I like it, but we want to see the little loopy thing because it took Marissa 75 minutes to put that up. So I'm going to grab my what's cool about this is it's a 360 camera, so normally
You can see everything.
yeah, so normally like you guys would be like, what the hell was that noise? Now you can swim over there and see what that was. Go ahead and rewind it back. That's all for you for your hand. This is a Queen's reflector. Hopefully it doesn't stay on as well as before, obviously. And set that on the reflector. Alright, so we gotta do that pose. So I'm looking at I'm basically looking at the stopbox. So I can see, make sure the angle, it's equal to the angle of reflectance. Okay, perfect, hold. Alright, a little bit more face to the side. Perfect, hold. Right there, that's beautiful. It definitely has a certain feel to it. It has a certain feel. It's really contrasting. Holy shit. Ooh, I swore. Look like it's from my channel. Look how contrasting it is.
It is cool.
Just to let you know. Feel better.
It looks old, like in your 20s.
Yeah, it's like there. Right. It definitely has a
Let me do
style.
like a more melodramatic.
Yeah, be super melodramatic. Put the style back in. So this is cinematic style. I don't know which one it was. It was this one. Yeah. It is very similar. This would be super clear. There you go. Hold. No one. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, feel it.
Oh.
Do it. Exactly. Oh, yeah.
Hand, no hand.
No, I think hands okay. I like it. Let me do one more. I get a little bit of weight in there if you want. There we go. Oh, wow. Perfect. Hold. You're perfect to work with the clamp. I'll just. Sometimes you just gotta go with it. Because I think everything's good.
I can always move the clamp to this side.
Yeah, we have to, yeah, let's move it, but I mean, I didn't want you to have to move there. Yeah, this is basically perfect. Okay, we'll move the clamp, and I'm gonna actually turn this light down. It's a little bit too hot. A little bit of detail there. Otherwise, it's perfect. All right, one more like that, exactly like that. I'm trying to be like down.
Clamp on this side.
Yeah,
It's very 20s, I like it.
it's very pretty good. Hopefully, Brent the runway doesn't see us doing that. They'll never know. All right, perfect. It's very scandalous how much back we're showing. Oh yeah, this is super nice. Just maybe, yeah, exactly. Udius maximus right there. Good. More. Right there, that's hold. Do not move. I was wondering if I was working. That's good. Just like that, bring your chin up. Right there. Just work that a little bit. There you go. Right there. Nice. Good. Last one. This is it. Nice. Got it. Cool. Oh wow, that actually is kind of nice. Not a bad job there, Marisa. It's colorized.
Oh.
It's interesting how you use all the detail there, but it still looks pretty cool.
It looks better without the detail there.
Yeah, it does, because it's like false on. Well, actually, you don't have to, with 360, it would be anywhere. You can be here. So while Marissa's looking at that, so hopefully this worked, and you guys will see a 360 video. Let me know if you like 360, if this is something you want to see more of. We're definitely going to be doing more shoots coming up. We got a subscription to a dress rental place, so there'll be a lot of Marisa dresses in the next few videos. So be sure to subscribe. Make sure that you follow Marisa. We'll put her details in the description. And I'll see you next time.